there, take us through this one here, Brian.
Attacking the body, but it was that left hand. Thway Lin Htet, very unorthodox the way that he switches his stance and drives forward, but his goal is to get his opponent on the ropes, make them uncomfortable, take away that...
No throws or grappling allowed.
From the blue corner, Thway Lin Htet!
The fans from Myanmar are here to support their athlete. Thway Lin Htet makes his return to One Friday Fights. Came out here in his debut, got that victory, majority decision victory over Manchai. Didn't get the result that he wanted in his next matchup. He's gone back to the drawing board to resharpen his skills. But if there is anything to say about this young man who has a 96% winning rate, is that his mentality is all about fighting through that pain. It's all about fighting through that adversity so that he can use Muay Thai to support himself and his family and be an example to everyone in his country that if you work hard, believe in your dreams, you can one day achieve them.
And get ready for the audience to go wild because his countrymen come out hard at Yodkitti Stadium to cheer on their fighters. Thway Lin Htet here, an orthodox fighter, but he likes to switch. He's got that Letway background, that traditional martial art from Myanmar. Makes him extra tough, makes his fists like iron. And his determination, his will like steel. He is very aggressive with punches, follows up beautifully at close range with those knees, often catching his opponents off guard. And really, he is ultra tough. He has seen it all. He said that he's worked on improving his counterattacks and understanding the intricacies of Muay Thai. And he says that his opponent's style plays into his hands. He loves to fight someone who will drive forward and trade with him. That is his bread and butter. In this fight, I want to see him cut off the ring, blitz with punches, and see if he can't pick up his second win here on One Friday Fights.
From the red corner, Yodkitti!
81% win rate for Yodkitti. This 19-year-old fighting out of Pathum Thani. Just brimming with confidence. Really told us that he enjoys his time here on One Friday Fights. Starting to become accustomed to the ways of winning here, as he currently sits on a 2-fight winning streak. His debut here, One Friday Fight 59, got that KO victory, beautiful punching combinations, ending his opponent in round 1, earning him the bonus, then went on in his second matchup, won the KO victory, again in round 1, again earning him the bonus. He's got that Muay Ball style, Brian. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what that means?
This fighter here, Achilles, is southpaw and aggressive. Those Muay Ball stylists are very aggressive with all of the weapons, but Yodkitti stands out because of his hands. Thway Lin Htet wants someone who will trade, and that is exactly what he is getting. Yodkitti loves to throw heavy single shots, apply tons of pressure. He's got 2 wins, 2 knockouts, 2 bonuses here on One Friday Fights. Very effective and good at what he does. KO power for days in those hands. He thinks that his opponent is tough and he respects him, but he also thinks that he has weak defense and he wants to test that chin. As a southpaw in this fight, he needs to set up that left straight, use those low kicks, use the southpaw tactics to be effective. He is looking, ladies and gentlemen, for his 3rd knockout in a row tonight.
Up next, we have 3 3-minute rounds of strawweight Muay Thai. Introducing first, fighting Fighting out of the blue corner, training out of Donatongche, with a fight record of 27 wins and 1 loss, a 96% win rate. Representing Myanmar, Thway Lin Htet! And introducing opponent, fighting out of the red corner, training out of Viet Pathum, with a fight record of 42 wins and 10 losses, an 81% win rate. Representing Thailand, Yodkitti!
คณะมาคณะเขาทั้งคู่นะชกให้เต็มที่นะมีน้ำใจนักกีฬานะล้มไม่ซ้ำไม่ทำฟาวล์นะไป
On Friday, fighters for established fighters, up-and-comers who want to earn a shot at the highest levels in the world in the flagship one championship. Yodkitti squares off his neighbouring countryman, Thway Lin Htet.
You can see here right off the bat, Achilles, we've got that open stance. Whoa! Thway Lin Htet looking to find a home for that right hand, but eats the counter left straight from Yodkitti. Thway Lin Htet will often switch his stance as he plows forward behind those straight shots. It can be effective, but it can also be dangerous. Needs to find a strike to measure with. Otherwise, Yodkitti is going to get out of the way and then get back with a fast counter.
Oh, Thway Lin Htet just closing the distance with looping strikes there, Brian. Really making it easy for Yodkitti to negate his counters in this. Cannot underestimate the power of Thway Lin Htet. We've seen so many times before. Yodkitti is a master of controlling his own space. That is what has led to those 2 KO victories that we've seen from him here on One Friday Fights.
That's right, he's got that now. Oh, big shots landing there, though, from Thway Lin Htet. Yodkitti has the knockout power, but he's also got the technique, the footwork to get in and out and set up opportunities for that left hand. Both fighters clashing there in the middle. Thway Lin Htet, though, his X factor, as you see as he switches in his stance behind those shots, he is so tough. He loves to brawl, and he will make you very uncomfortable. He'll take a technical fighter, take away their space, really find their weakness.
Oh, this really is an interesting clash of styles, like you mentioned, Brian. Just the sheer toughness of Thway Lin Htet. Oh, willing to take a shot just to close the distance, just to get in so that he can land a shot of his own. And that is contrary to the way that Yodkitti fights. But Yodkitti is going to need to respect the strikes of Thway Lin Htet.
Thway Lin Htet has been here before. He loves to drive his opposition into the ropes with a kick or a knee. Ooh, trading big shots there. Thway Lin Htet so tough though, finding a hole for a shot on Yodkitti. Just starching him and sending him down, finishing the fight with 1 punch.
Oh, Brian, just like you said, just the sheer fearlessness of Thway Lin Htet to just enter into the brawling situations and then just come out on top. It's always a danger for Yodkitti playing with fire like that. But the sportsmanship from Thway Lin Htet, this is what we are here for here. Oh, look at that replay there. Take us through this one here, Brian.
Attack in the body, but it was that left hand. Thway Lin Htet, very unorthodox the way that he switches his stance and drives forward, but his goal is to get his opponent on the ropes, make them uncomfortable, take away that space to be technical, to counter, eat it up, and then throw massive punches. Stepping through, he cared not what stance he was in, but he found a home for that left hook, put it right on Yodkitti's chin, and sent him to the nether realm. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 minutes and 39 seconds in the first round, your referee has called a stop to this contest. Your winner, by way of knockout, Thway Lin Htet!
Thway Lin Htet, ladies and gentlemen, back in the winner's circle in a big way this evening against a very tough Yodkitti, picking up a stunning knockout.
Thway Lin Htet, amazing performance. Congratulations. The way you were just so fearless to close the distance and finish your opponent. Tell us how you're feeling right now and what is the message to all your fans here that have come to see you tonight.
วันนี้เราอยู่กับผู้ชนะครับThway Lin Htetนะครับผมในวันนี้นะครับเขามีแสดงความดุดันความไม่กลัวคู่ต่อสู้ของเขาที่สามารถปิดเกมคู่ต่อสู้ได้อย่างรวดเร็วครับอยากจะถามความรู้สึกในตอนนี้และมีอะไรอยากจะบอกถึงแฟนๆที่มาเชียร์เขาในวันนี้เต็มสนามเลยครับ
ဟုတ်ကဲ့မင်္ဂလာပါကျွန်တော်အခုနိုင်ပါပြီကျွန်တော်နိုင်ဖို့ဒီဘွဲကျွန်တော်ကိုယ်ကိုလည်းယုံကြည်တယ်ပြီးတော့ဒီလိုနိုင်သွားတော့ကျွန်တော်အများကြီးဝိုင်းသားတာပေါ့အခုပရိသတ်တွေကျွန်တော်အပြည့်ပရိသတ်ကျွန်တော်အများကြီးကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်
Yeah, I got confident because of this victory, and I know I can do this. And I want to say thank you all of the fans who support me.
ครับผมตัวเขาเองครับเขาอยากจะขอบคุณแฟนๆทุกคนครับที่มาเชียร์เขาในวันนี้ครับผมและในวันนี้ครับเขามาด้วยความมั่นใจและเขาเชื่อในตัวเองครับผมว่าเขาจะสามารถเอาชนะได้ในวันนี้ครับ
It's because of that fearless performance that you just put on, young man, that Mr. Chatri Sityortong has awarded you a bonus of 350,000 baht.